Many people still stick to their opinion that English is just is as important as many languages across the world. We can we can stick to our own languages. We can stick to other language. We don't need English. That's why people don't want to come English clubs nowadays. And then people who don't want to come English clubs, they are a bit try to defend themselves, defend their opinion. In fact, they are stuck up. They stuck up. They to be
Stuck up, gali.
Not stuck up, and to be snobby.
Yeah, snobby,
people.
gali.
When someone invite them to join this club, and when someone they try to belittle the one who invited.
Take a seat, man.
They try to belittle and also disparage people.
Exactly.
That's why people don't want to come English club.
Just
That's
because
the reason is they become arrogant. Right?
Arrogant,
Some people
and
become arrogant.
snobbish, maybe.
Snobbish.
And
then people still
hesitate, right?
hesitate.
That's
and
why
also
people won't learn that, right?
Hesitation is make people don't want to come in this club.
Exactly.
And also because there might be some people who try to belittle someone else. That's
Yeah,
why
that's why.
people feeling afraid to come English club.
Yeah.
I think that's all.